Welcome back, children, to lesson number 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. In this chapter, today we will start with exercise 4.3. Children, in my last video, we have already done what are angles. Let's revise once. Angles are made up of two rays starting from common initial point. Children, question number 1 is name the angles in the given figure. Children, you can see that one polygon is given to you with 4 sides, and with that you have to find out which are the angles formed in this polygon. You can see, children, 4 points are given, point A, B, C and D, and with these points we have to find out the angles in the given figure. Children, we have already learned that how to denote an angle. So here you can see there are 4 angles formed by this figure. In this figure, angle ABC, angle CDA, angle DAB, angle DCB. Children, in each angle, the middle letter is the vertex of the angle. Now, question number 2. In the given diagram, name the points. In the interior of angle DOE, in the exterior of angle EOF, and on angle EOF. So, children, here a diagram is given to you where there are 3 angles formed, and we have to find out the answers according to the situations given. So the first one is in the interior of angle DOE. Children, the 3 angles formed in this figure are angle FOE, angle FOD and angle DOE. So here it is written that we have to find out the point in the interior of angle DOE. So the point in the interior of angle DOE is point A. Now points in the exterior of angle EOF. Children, see the figure. The points in the exterior of angle EOF are C, A and D. You can see that when the angle EOF is formed, the points in the exterior of angle EOF are C, A and D. And the last one is points on angle EOF. So here you can see that the points on angle EOF are points E, O, B and F. Children, this is a very simple question because we have already done what are the interior points of the angle, what are the exterior points of an angle and what are the boundary points of an angle. Children, draw rough diagrams of 2 angles such that they have common 1 point, 2 points in common, 3 points in common, 4 points in common and 1 ray in common. So children, here you have to draw a diagram in which we will have the following statements in common. Children, let's do the first one, 1 point in common. Children, here you can see that O is the common point between angle COD and angle AOB. Children, now 2 points in common. Here you can see angle COA, angle COB, angle BOA. So here the 2 common points are O and B. O and B are common points between angle AOB and angle BOC. Now children, third one, 3 points in common. We have to draw a figure which has 3 points in common. So here you can see angle AOB and angle BOC. Here, which are the 3 points common? Point B, E, O are the 3 points which are common. Now the fourth one, 4 points in common. Here you can see, children, angle BOA and angle COA. Here the 4 points in common are point O, E D and A. So point O, E, D and A are common points between angle BOA and angle COA. Now children, one ray in common. You can see here the figure angle AOB, angle AOC and angle COB. Children, which ray is common between these three angles? Ray OC is the common ray between these three angles. Children, this was the end of exercise 4.3. You have to write this exercise 4.3 in your maths notebook. We will meet again with new concepts in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.